It's vegan recipes as far as the eye can see. Cause there ain't no meat, there ain't no eggs, there ain't no cheese, not even
Hey,
if
Emily here with It's Vegan. Thanks for joining me. Today I am going to make the easiest barbecue sauce recipe that I know. Let's get started. I've got my pot here and we've got it on our little burner. I'm going to add Pepsi to this. I'm going to save a little bit to rinse out my ketchup container and ketchup. And you want to use the same amount of ketchup and Pepsi. I do prefer to use Heinz ketchup and Pepsi Cola, but you could use whatever kind of ketchup and cola you like. Now we want to fully incorporate these and bring it up to a boil. You might notice I have one chopstick here on a plate, and that is because we are going to want to reduce this by half. And instead of remeasuring it, I will mark my chopstick, and then I will use this later to see if we made it down to half. Now that I have my mark on my stick, I'm just going to take a pencil and put a little line there in case my liquid evaporates and becomes hard to see. You're going to want to keep a close eye on this until it comes up to a boil, and then we reduce it down to a simmer, and then you won't have to watch it so close. I made this one time, and I used Pepsi made with real sugar, and I thought it was going to be like better, like the Coke made with real sugar, and it was too sweet. FYI, all you people out there.
What are you saying, Pepsi's better than...
No, like the regular Pepsi with the high fructose corn syrup. I thought, oh, I'll get Pepsi made with real sugar, and I bet it'll make my barbecue sauce better, and it was too sweet for me. I can hear it starting. I don't know, I did think, ooh, fancy real sugar Pepsi, that'll taste better. Didn't like it as much.
If you're in a real hurry to make this barbecue sauce, use a large pot, turn the heat up, stir it constantly, and you will cook out the liquid quicker that way.
Till it reduces.
It would reduce quicker.
I never pay that much attention to it, so I'm afraid I will walk away and burn it if I do that, but it would go faster. I feel like we're getting close to boiling. Yeah, and because I didn't use a big pot, I think I'm gonna have to pick it up off the heat. This barbecue sauce is a great base for things also. We take this and make it into different things. The way this is just good for dipping and putting on whatever kind of sandwich. Oh, here we go. Hear it and feel it on the bottom of the pot.
While it's reducing, you want a very, very slow boil. You want a high simmer where you still have some bubbles.
So we are up to a full rolling boil. I'm gonna keep stirring it though because I'm trying to keep it all in there. I'm gonna check and see if it'll stay like that without me stirring it. We might have to take the heat down a little bit. Now all we have to do is wait. We will come back and occasionally stir this. Just checking in. We are still reducing, and occasionally I am coming over to stir it. I think we're maybe 30 minutes in. So we've got a little ways to go. Coming in for another stir. Now as I'm reducing this and I am having less volume of liquid in my pot, I'll have to turn this down just a touch. I'm just gonna keep reducing. I'm back. I needed to give this a stir. Obviously I had walked away for a while and I probably should have turned it down a little bit more because I'm getting splashes everywhere. I'm not sure how much it reduced, but luckily we have our chopstick, so going in for a test. I'll break that off a little more. Ooh, right there. We are about half. I am going to turn this off and let it cool, and then we'll do a taste test. Our barbecue sauce has cooled down enough. I could get it into a jar. I reduced it a little bit further than half. This is the consistency that it ends up being. Sweet and delicious. This goes great on anything that you would want to put barbecue sauce on, and we also use this as a base to make our sloppy lentils. That'll probably be an upcoming video soon. Thanks for stopping by. Subscribe and come back and see what we're up to next week.